Hello everyone. Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. As you already know, YouTube has started rolling out the 2025 recap feature inside the app. Some users have already received it, while many still don't see this option. So today's video is for those of you who haven't received the YouTube recap 2025 feature yet. I'll show you step by step how to enable it on your phone. In how to enable the YouTube recap 2025 feature. Step 1. Go to your phone settings. Step 2. Navigate to App Management or Apps. Step 3. Open the app list and find the YouTube app. Step 4. Once you enter the YouTube app settings, go to Storage and Cache. Untap Clear Data and Clear Cache. Don't worry, this will only refresh app data. None of your videos or account info will be deleted. Step 5. Next, go to the Permissions tab and make sure all necessary permissions are set to allow. Now update the app. Step 6. Open the Google Play Store. Step 7. Search for YouTube. If an update button appears, update the app immediately. If it's already updated, simply tap Open. And there you go. The recap feature is now visible. Once you open YouTube again, you should now see the brand new 2025 recap option. Here, you'll get a complete breakdown of your watch history, your favorite genres, playlists, and your entire YouTube activity for the year. It's fun, detailed, and shows all kinds of insights about your 2025 YouTube journey. If you enjoyed this video, I upload similar tech-related tutorials, tips, and updates regularly on this channel. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Stay tuned and stay safe.